Good evening, one and all. Welcome to Destination Jamaica. Now, as the curtains close on the 2024 Olympic Games in Paris, we take a moment to acknowledge and thank the athletes who represented Jamaica with pride and determination. Though this year's medal count may not have matched the heights of previous games, the effort and spirit of our athletes continue to embody the strength of our nation's Olympic legacy. Jamaica's participation in the Olympic Games dates back to 1948, and since then the nation has established itself as a great force in the world of athletics. With a total of 87 Olympic medals through 2020, 26 of which are gold, Jamaica has consistently been a dominant presence, particularly in track and field. The only exception to this trend was a bronze medal in cycling, won by David Weller in the 1,000-meter time trial at the 1980 Olympics. The 1960 Olympics saw Jamaica competing under the banner of the West Indies Federation, alongside athletes from Barbados and Trinidad. This combined effort yielded two medals, a bronze in the 800 meters won by Jamaican George Kerr, and another bronze in the 4x400 meter relay with three Jamaican athletes and one from Barbados. These early successes laid the foundation for what became an illustrious Olympic journey. Now, the most celebrated figure in Jamaican Olympic history is undoubtedly Usain Bolt, who captured the world's attention with his unprecedented performances in the 100 meter, 200 meters, and the 4x100 meter relay at the 2008, 2012, and 2016 Olympics. Despite the loss of one relay gold medal due to a teammate's doping violation, Bolt retired with 8 Olympic gold medals. His legacy is closely followed by other Jamaican sprinting greats, including Elaine Thompson, Shelley Fraser, and Veronica Campbell Brown. Jamaica's performance at the 2024 Paris Olympics, which ran from July 26th to August 11th, yielded a total of 6 medals, one gold, three silver, and two bronze. The nation's lone gold medal was won by Roger Stoner in the men's discus throw, a remarkable achievement in a field where Jamaica is not traditionally known for dominance. Other notable performances included silver medals by Shanika Ricketts in the women's triple jump, Kishane Thompson in the men's 100 meters, and Wayne Pinnock in the men's long jump. Rajanda Campbell secured a bronze in the men's shot put, and Rashid Broadbell added to Jamaica's tally with a bronze in the men's 110-meter hurdles. With the total medal count and the number of goals, it fell short of the successes seen in recent Olympics. Yet, the dedication and hard work of our athletes remain evident. The comparison to previous years is inevitable. Jamaica's best recent performance was at the London 2012 Olympics, where the nation secured 13 medals, including 4 golds. Even in the 2020 Tokyo Olympics, held under the extraordinary circumstances of a global pandemic, Jamaica managed to bring home 9 medals, 4 of which were gold. The 2024 Olympics serve as a reminder of the nature of sports, where triumph and challenges coexist. While this year's results may have not reached the peaks of earlier years, they nonetheless reflect the continuing strength and potential of Jamaican athletes, and in fields that we probably wouldn't have predicted or thought would have been that possible. The 2024 Games may have concluded with fewer medals than hope, but they also set the stage for reflection and renewed determination as we look forward. So, yeah, the future can be very bright, very, very bright if we reflect and we and come again and do the work and do what we need to do to get the athletes all hands on deck, all organizations involved, you know. Everybody just do what they need to do. And so that at 2028, we will be even better. No, Jamaica's Olympic legacy is built on more than just medals. It's about the perseverance, the talent, and spirits of the athletes who continue to inspire the nation and the world. As we celebrate the achievements of 2024 and prior, we look forward to what the future holds for Jamaican sports, confident that our athletes will continue to make us proud on the global stage. So, once again, bravo. Thank you, athletes. Thank you, Jamaican athletes. Big up on yourself and big up all athletes all over the world. It was such an honor to watch different sports, even the ones that we didn't watch. It's great to know that, they put their best foot out there. We saw the emotions, we saw the victories, we saw the failures, and it's just human of us to go through different emotions with highs and lows. Just imagine you having a dream and that dream coming true or not coming true, and all the feelings that are related to that. I mean, we saw it through the screen, and we wish all athletes the best, going forward. Whether or not they medal, hopefully they will never give up, and that they will be rewarded for all their efforts. So that's it for now. We just had to drop a quick thank you to the athletes, a quick conclusion with some history involved of some of the medals that we got prior. We're going to do a longer video speaking about a few things when we have some more time. Um, Big up Jamaica. We will always believe in the black, gold, and green. Team Jamaica all the way. Enough respect, one love for life. Now take care of yourself and each other. We have one more video dropping soon. Um, and we can't wait to speak to you again and cover some more sports, of course.